You have been planting onions wrong. I'm going to show you how you can plant onions the right way and get good results. So this is a bed right here. We're gonna plant onion on this bed. We had onions on this bed last year. We're gonna do the same. So the first thing we're gonna do is just clean it up. So we're gonna clean the leaves and all the weeds that are coming out. We're gonna bury them in. That's gonna provide some compost for the bed itself. So we're just cleaning it up and putting it on this side, and then we're gonna start making some holes on the bed so that we can bury all the leaves and weeds that we just took out. So if you haven't seen this before, this is the way, a traditional way of growing or using tilling the garden, and then burying all the dead leaves and plants on the bed. These all these things that we bury right now in about 3 months, 2 or 3 months, they're gonna feed the bed and provide nutrients to whatever you plant on the bed. So right now I'm just covering all the leaves up with the soil that we have here, and then we're gonna do the same with whatever we have left over there. So we're gonna do the same for the whole bed. Just till the bed and cover it up. One is gonna help with two things. Two is gonna aerate the bed, and the second one is gonna provide nutrients for the bed later on, so that way the plants can thrive. And then what we're gonna do next is make sure that we able to add more nutrients to the bed. So we're gonna add some compost, worm castings, and other organic fertilizers that would improve the nutrient level on the bed. And like I said, we used it last year and it was unsuccessful. So we're gonna do the same this year by making sure that the bed has all the necessary nutrients on it. So we're gonna put the nutrients now, and then later on during the season, we're gonna add more compost to once the onions start growing, maybe in like a month or so. So what we're gonna be planting in this bed are onion sets, and then some onions that we started from seeds. I'm gonna show you guys those later on. But I bought some onion sets, and then we're gonna use some onions that we started from seeds in like February. So they are also coming up. So I'm gonna show you when we are done tilling the bed and turning the bed. Now I'm just adding some compost to the bed. Like I said, I am getting compost from my compost pile, just adding it to the bed, and just make sure that I provide nutrients to the whole bed, so that you want to make sure that you have as much organic matter and as much organic matter on your bed as possible to provide continuous feeding of the onions. Let me know in the comments below if you're growing onions this year, and if this is how you do your onions, or if you have a different way of doing it. Let me know in the comments below. Always like to learn new stuff, but this is how I've been doing my onions the past few years. So let's go. The next thing we're gonna do is add our worm castings. Like I said, these worm castings are gonna provide much needed nutrients to the bed, and it's gonna help the bed do much better. I'm gonna also add some worm castings from my worm bin also. If you are interested in these worm castings, I'll put a link below, or check out my shop for these worm castings. They are awesome for the garden. It builds its soil and feeds your plant, not only for this year but for years to come. So we're just gonna spread it all over the bed, and then once we spread it all over the bed, then we can go to the next item that we want to do is ensuring that we have the whole bed covered. Then we're gonna add some organic fertilizers, and then that's it. So now I'm making an experiment on how to um, grow onions with egg cartons like this. So the distance for planting onions is 1 inch deep and 4 inches apart. So these ones are not exactly 4 inches apart, but I'm just trying to make an experiment with the first couple of sections over here to see how it goes this year compared to the other ones that we're gonna have later on, that we're gonna put down later on. So use this egg carton, and I just took out the bottoms on each of them, and then drop um, our onions in there. You want to make sure that the onion tips are facing up like that, and then make sure that you plant them 1 inch deep and 4 inches apart. So we're gonna do the second section. I'm just gonna do two sections of experiment, and the other sections are gonna stay the same. I'm gonna do them 4 inches apart or more, just to compare them later on. So now these are the seedlings that of our onion seedlings that we had. We started from seeds about a month plus ago. So we're gonna plant them in the other sections that we have over here. They're still very tiny, but they're still gonna be fine. We just want to plant them and just make sure that at least we still give them the same spacing, 1 inch deep and 4 inches apart. You can plant them even closer, and then if you plan to weed them out later on, that's fine. But I don't want to waste, so I don't want to weed them out later on. I just want to give them space and plant them like that. So now we are done planting all of them on this side. All we need to just do is water, make sure that it's soaked so that the roots stay moist and they're gonna pick up and start growing in no time. Let me know in the comments below what you think about my process, and also let me know if it's something that you will try later on. Thank you so much. Like the video if you haven't liked the video. Also share the video if you know somebody that might be interested in the video. Share the video. Thank you guys so much for continuous watching and for your support. So we're done watering, so we're gonna give it a little bit of time, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. I'm also gonna add a little bit at the end, because I have a little section at the end over there that I'm gonna buy. This what we planted on this end is red onions, so we have same red onions, the tiny ones, seedlings that we planted. I'm gonna put yellow onions on this empty end over here later on. So that's what we have. We've planted our onions. This bed is all set to go. We just have to add the onions later on, and we are good to go. So now I have a little bit of space in the back. I'm just putting some spinach over there. We're gonna harvest the spinach and pull it out before the onions get to half, maybe like in a month or so. We should be able to harvest the spinach. I think I just wanted to use that space. Here is it after about 3 weeks, looking awesome. Look at how they've come out. We had some stuff digging on this side, but that's okay. You can see the spinach is okay. Look at, I planted the yellow onions on this side. It's also doing really well. So that is how we plant our onions. Stay tuned for updates on this. Like and follow so that you can get updated on these onions. If you want to follow me and plant onions, follow me and plant onions, and I will tell you step by step what to do later on with this. As it's doing well, in like a couple of weeks time, I'm gonna provide it with some liquid fertilizer and feed it with liquid fertilizer. At the beginning stages like this, you want to make sure that you add blood meal or any other fertilizer that would help the plants do well, especially things that would provide more nitrogen to the bulbs. And then later on, after they've grown, after about a month, no more fertilizer, no more nitrogen. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, save, share, and follow for more videos like this.